Let's break down Pi Network, a new kind of cryptocurrency you mine right from your phone. No expensive hardware needed. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi is designed for everyone. Just tap the app daily to mine, making it accessible and energy efficient. The project, started by Stanford grads, has grown to millions of users, pioneers, worldwide. Pi's real strength is its massive, engaged community, not just its tech. As of November 2025, Pi is in the enclosed mainnet phase. The network is live, but coins can't be traded or sold yet. Think of it as a theme park in soft opening, testing, securing, and building before the grand launch. The focus now: verifying users, building real apps, and ensuring stability. The team is taking a slow, careful approach to avoid the chaos seen in other crypto launches. Today, we'll dive into why this strategy matters and what it means for your Pi. You've mined Pi but can't trade it yet. Why? It's all about the enclosed mainnet. Pi's mainnet is live but walled off like a private party. No outside trading allowed. This protects the network from price manipulation and wild speculation. The core team wants to build real utility first: apps, services, and a stable economy. Key steps now: migrating users to the blockchain and encouraging developers to build dApps. Imagine using Pi for real purchases: pizza, services, games, inside the ecosystem. The enclosed phase is a safety net, letting Pi grow without outside market chaos. The team is focused on stability, not hype. Success depends on building a real, sustainable economy before opening to the world. Patience now means a stronger, more valuable Pi later. Heard of KYC? It's your ticket to actually using your Pi. KYC, Know Your Customer, verifies you're a real, unique person, not a bot. Pass KYC by submitting your ID and a selfie. Once approved, you can move your Pi to the mainnet wallet. Without KYC, your Pi stays locked in the app, unusable. This process builds trust, keeps the network legal, and attracts real businesses. KYC is what turns you from a passive miner into an active participant in Pi's economy. If you're serious about Pi's future, make KYC your top priority. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet: read, write, and now own. Web 1 was static info. Web 2 let us interact, but big companies owned our data. Web 3, powered by blockchain, gives control and ownership back to users. With Web 3, your digital identity and assets, like Pi, are truly yours. One wallet, many apps, log in, earn, and get rewarded directly. It's about decentralization, no single company in charge. Pi Network aims to be a major Web 3 player, building a user-owned ecosystem. Apps on Pi are Web 3 apps, letting you earn and participate in new ways. The goal: a fair, open, and transparent digital world where users have real power. That's the promise of Web 3 and Pi's vision for the future. Let's address the buzz: rumors of a Pi Network and Sidra Bank partnership. As of now, there's no official confirmation from either side, just speculation. Sidra Bank aims to be the world's first Islamic digital bank, focusing on ethical, transparent finance. Both Pi and Sidra share global, tech-driven visions, which fuels the rumors. The idea: Pi brings the users and currency, Sidra brings financial infrastructure. Until there's an official announcement, treat this as exciting potential, not fact. Imagine if Pi Network and Sidra Bank did team up. What could it mean? It could bridge digital coins and real-world finance, letting you convert Pi to cash or spend it with a debit card. This would solve the biggest challenge for pioneers using Pi in everyday life. Sidra's focus on Islamic finance could open Pi to huge new markets. A partnership would legitimize Pi, showing regulators and businesses it's ready for the mainstream. It could inspire more banks to join Web 3, accelerating adoption. The synergy: Sidra gets millions of users, Pi gets real-world utility. Developers and businesses would flock to the platform, building a true digital economy. It's a game changer, if it happens. So, what should pioneers watch for next? The big milestones: mass KYC completion and a thriving app ecosystem. These unlock the open mainnet. Watch for updates on KYC progress and new apps in the Pi browser. Official partnerships, if announced, will be major news, but stick to trusted sources. Stay engaged, complete your KYC, use Pi apps, and help grow the community. Avoid hype and rumors. Focus on what's real and official. Building a global currency takes time. Patience and participation are key. The next phase for Pi is coming, and your involvement will help shape its future.